Hi, let's review PPTV KING7S. It calls Naked IPS 3D screen. It is a smartphone 6-inch FHD plus 2K screen. Resolution is 2516 pixels by 1440 pixels. Its CPU is Helio X10 octa-core, and its memory built-in is 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM. Okay, this is its sealed box. Let's open it together. Six-inch screen, micro USB port, this is silver color, metal housing, it supports global language and Google Play Store, Google applications. Its battery built-in is 3610 mAh. Its screen is Naked IPS 3D screen. Very beautiful screen. Front camera is 13 megapixel. Rear camera is 8 megapixel. It is a FDD LTE 4G network smartphone. Okay, let's continue to check its accessory in the color box. It will come the charger, USB cable. The cable quality is very good quality, and will come an eject pin, manual, and after sales service. Most important is the smartphone is very good price. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Here is my company B2C business to customer or B2B business to business contact details.